at the hardware store and just picked up some stuff for the next project. But interior is looking good. Used to be a total mess all up through here. There's the little rear view camera, that nub hanging there. Wiring down below, and this guy, which I found just in driving around today, that I run passively, just like this. Like it's still a mirror if the electronics fail. There's a single button down here that changes that, or toggles. That's the rear view. It's got time and date, but then you've also got a full front view, or you can split view. In the rear view, you can go, you know, pick different parts to display, because it's shooting 1080p 16:9 aspect ratio, and then the menu just disappears in a second. But it's loop recording. On the front camera, I have it mounted to the back of the mirror itself right now, but I think I'm going to change that to where the field of view is perfectly centered, because this black thing right here is the foot of the mirror stock, and I'm just going to move it to right there up front and redo the wires. So like I said, I've been running it so far just off. Shoot, hold on, give me a second to do it in film. Okay. So let's say it's off. It's still recording, but I put it into reverse. Hey, reverse lines. They're not dynamic. They don't move with the steering wheel like one that I had in the head unit here before that failed. But it's more than I need anyway. Just being able to see it from like another 3 feet behind my head has been pretty nice, in addition to just turning around to look. There are 3 connections to this thing in total. One carries power and a video signal. One is GPS, and the other is, I guess, the second camera. And it's got to have a little internal battery, because even disconnected from power, it remembers like what time it is and what my settings are. The headrests have plenty of clearance, because I measured before I ordered the thing back last summer. I need to update the software on the dash to, I don't know, just get new features and fix whatever bugs they got. Also some mirror weirdness. The side views are like off eBay, some convex job where you can see more, but if it's the first time you look at it, it kind of messes with your head. Anyway, I am proud of my work.